Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 8th topic, that is food for good health. We all know that food is very essential for all the living things. Maybe it is plants, animals or human beings. Food is a very important part of our life, and if we do not get food, we can't be alive. Food is one of the basic necessities of all the living things. And what do we get from the food? From the food we get energy, and this energy is used by us for doing all the activities in our day-to-day life. So food is required for our growth. See, when we are born, we are very small, but after our birth we have food in some or the other form, and that is how we grow. So also food gives us energy. So the energy that we get from the food is used in doing all our activities like walking, playing, sitting, standing. All the activities that we do in our whole day is possible for us only because of the energy that we get from the food. So also food keeps us healthy and strong. So because of the food that we eat, immunity is developed in us, and ability is developed in our body to fight against various diseases, to fight against the viruses, fight against the bacteria. So the food is very essential for our growth, to keep our body healthy, strong and fit. Food is divided into various groups on the basis of nutrients that they have in them. So there are 3 groups or 3 kinds of foods, that is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective foods. So now let us learn in details about all these 3 kinds of food. So the first is energy giving food. The food items like rice, wheat, potatoes, butter, sugar, cheese, all these food items have energy in them, and so when we eat these food items we get energy from them, and this energy is utilized by our body to do all our works, to play, to think. So including all these food items in our daily diet is very necessary. If we do not have food, then we will feel tired, we will feel weakness in our body. So it is very necessary that we have any of these energy giving foods in our daily diet. The next is bodybuilding food. So the food items which are included in bodybuilding foods are pulses, that is kadadhanya, milk, flesh of animals and eggs. So all these food items are called as bodybuilding foods. These food items are very necessary to build a strong body. These food items help in the growth of our body. So also the pulses, the milk, flesh, eggs are very much necessary for the repairing of our muscles, for repairing of any tissues in our body. All these bodybuilding foods are very essential, and so bodybuilding foods, that is pulses, milk, flesh and eggs, should be eaten or should be consumed by human beings to build a good strong body. The next is protective foods. Protective foods includes food items like fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have many nutrients in them, and when we consume these when we consume these food items like fruits and vegetables, a protective power is built in our body. Immunity is built up in our body, which will fight against various diseases that we can get. So if we eat fruits and vegetables on a regular basis, our immunity will increase. Our ability to fight against the viruses and bacteria that are present in the atmosphere will increase, and that is why we will not fall sick or we will not get any type of sicknesses or illness. So it is very necessary that we include all these food items in our daily diet to keep our body strong, fit and healthy. energy giving foods. The food items like rice, potato, cheese, butter, sugar, wheat should be included in the diet so that we get energy from all these products, and energy is required for all the activities that we perform in our day-to-day life. The next are the bodybuilding food items, that is eggs, flesh, fish, milk and all the pulses, that is all types of kadadhanya. These food items are very much necessary for building our bones and muscles. And we have already learned in our earlier chapter that bones and muscles should be strong so that we can do all our activities easily. So for the building of our bones and muscles, to keep the bones and muscles strong, it is very necessary that we eat all these food items. The next are the protective food items. It includes all types of fruits and vegetables. You can see here all types of fruits and vegetables are included in the protective food items. So consuming of all fruits and vegetables is very much necessary to develop immunity in us. To develop the immune power, it is necessary that we eat various fruits and vegetables. It is very necessary that we include all these food items in our daily diet to keep ourselves strong, fit and healthy.